This beautifully nestled home in the Pebblebrook neighborhood is perfect. The property has vinyl fencing for your entertainment and privacy. The roof was replaced in 2021 and the air conditioner in 2020. Walk into the home and fall in love with the beautiful tile throughout the house. The recessed lighting throughout the house also sets the tone for the ambience of the home. The home has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and ample room for your family. The kitchen has granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The washer and dryer stays in the home. The living room is perfect for those movie nights at home with the electric fireplace. The house also comes with the Ring security cameras. You will not want to miss out on this opportunity with tons of shopping, restaurants, and recreational activities. 15 minutes to Tampa International Airport, 20 minutes from award-winning beaches, and Veterans Expressway is also within close driving distance.